Hey, I just received your post-op report. Come by the hospital when you can.
No. She's leaving.
Listen, if you need any additional surgeries, I can make a call for you. Someone at one of the New York hospitals could take care of that. I wouldn't let some of the doctors at General touch me.
Unfortunately, the original prognosis was too optimistic. Had a setback.
What are my options?
You need follow-up surgery as soon as possible.
No, this is a bad time.
Stone Cold, I wish you would reconsider the yogic experience. Oh. Hello. I'll come back later.
No, it's okay. Just stay. I can't leave town right now. There's no way.
Well, then you better prepare yourself for permanent and degenerative nerve damage in both hands.